Hi guys, today I'll be talking about the Pi. Most of the people says this is only the scam and waste of time. However, we'll do the experiment on the withdrawal site and we'll find out the result. So watch until the end of this video to find out the result. So without further delay, let's move on to this app. On the Pi app, my balance. However, this is not the real balance I can withdraw. I can show you now. So if I click on the mainnet, you can see here migrate is only 2100 and transferable balance is 119 and unverified balance is 3275. So this because of my referrals, they haven't completed the KYC. So let's log into the Pi wallet and we'll do the withdrawal from there. Now you can see here guys, in the mainnet my Pi balance is 1739. Before doing the withdrawal from here, I'll show you some information from coinmarket.com. So you can see here Pi is listed on the number 35 guys. Let's click on the Pi. On the Pi markets, you can see here some of these platforms can work with the Pi. So according to this one, I have created account on the OKX, which is you can see on the number 1. Let's log into the OKX portfolio section guys, and after that deposit option here. Let's click on the deposit and source Pi. Now you can see here my Pi address guys. So let's copy the Pi address and let's go back to the Pi wallet. You can see here pay and request option. Let's click on the pay and request. I have already added the Pi wallet from OKX here guys. So in here pay request, let's click on the sending arrow guys. Let's put 100 Pi. Let's select the OKX wallet guys, and memo is optional. You can put any words or anything. Let's click on the send. Also you can see here 0.01 Pi is withdrawal fee. Let's click on the confirm guys. Transfer succeeded, you can see here. Now we can check onto the OKX wallet guys. After 2 to 3 seconds, you can see here 45.67 USD, 100 Pi. Now you can see here guys 0.37 LTC on the way. So let's wait and see on the Coinbase, is it actually arrived on the Coinbase or not. After 20 minutes guys, I have received Litecoin in the Coinbase. You can see here guys, received 43.96, 0.375 LTC. So that means it is proving that we can sell our Pi and withdraw money into our bank. Definitely Pi is not the scam guys. However, Pi value not gonna remain same all the time. So it's your choice to sell your Pi now or hold it for the future. Also, this is not the financial advice guys, so do your research properly for yourself. So that's all for now guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next one.